Push ball is an object permanence activity which is slightly different to the object permanence ball drop activity that you saw in our previous bundle. Now, how is it different is it has 4 insets and they'll travel a little longer distance before they come out. Secondly, in the ball drop box activity, your child had to just drop it and the ball would come out. In this case, a little pressure needs to be applied, which is just enough pressure that a baby can apply for the ball to come out. As a separate activity, you can use the color of the insets to match the ball, which can be done later when they are just 10 months old or 11 months old. This is a great time to introduce ball drop activity. Again, start with one ball at a time. So firstly, show them how to do it. Put the ball, take your child's hand and push it gently, and because of the resting towel here, the ball will come and stay there. And then let them take the ball and then start putting it in the insets. Again, it's not important that they match it correctly as long as they are putting it. What they will realize is the farther they put, the longer it takes for the ball to appear. So if they're putting it here, the ball has come out immediately. Whereas if they put it in the first inset, it takes longer. And then once they have mastered the concept is when you introduce the rest of the balls, which requires them to apply a little amount of strength, and that is what is going to build strength in their body. And children love this. Little infants, they enjoy pushing the ball, and the sound that comes, the clickety clackety sound, is something which they derive some sort of satisfaction from it. So it's a great object permanence activity, a good matching exercise activity early on, even without you having to tell them red needs to match the red instead. You can simply take red, yellow, green, blue, and then you can ask them to push one by one, and children love it. And if it goes out, not a big deal, because they can simply bring it back to the toy and start the activity again. So as you can see, there's inbuilt repetition in it. There is a control of error if they're looking at a matching exercise where they realize green doesn't match with the blue inset, but this is fundamentally an object permanence and a repetition exercise to build their focus, their concentration and their attention span, and also to build strength in their hands. It also encourages crossing their midline, because sometimes kids will use both their hands to push the balls, and that's why it's a good exercise for crossing the midline as well. Hope you enjoy it. Happy learning.